Um, the next speaker, Shinya Yamamoto, is a social entrepreneur, angel investor, and a part-time professor. I had a look at his LinkedIn profile, and there is so much, and he's involved in so many different things that I had to ask him this morning that how can he actually cope with all this at the same time. So join me in welcoming next speaker.
Yes. Thank you very much for inviting me. I just arrived from Tokyo yesterday, Tokyo, Japan. Then today I'm talking about our cases with AI technology at my universities, medical schools, and also talking about the AI technology about my startup company. So this is my position, professor at the Osaka University, graduate school of medicine, but also I work for Tohoku University and the Kobe University, and then 2 other business schools in Japan. Then I'm now trying to connect the medical school and the business school to create a startup ecosystem in Japan, collaborate with the central government and the other professors or researchers, of course, medical doctors. Then, first of all, I would like to talk about the history of AI technology evolution. As you probably aware of, that this is a GPT evolution since 2019. As you can see, after GPT-4o was launched in early May 2024, the AI technology, especially from OpenAI, has been remarkably evolving with an exponential curve, as you can see. Then now it's more and more with other, AI algorithms. Then, of course, we can generate very easily the context like an academic paper, or for example, protocol for the clinical trial, and then codes, program, then a picture or photo. Then this is a Sora, which was launched in January 2024, so last year. It was said that, the movie is really difficult to generate by the AI, just 2 years ago. But Sora was launched in January 2024. Then this is a very much, immature movie data without a sound. But just a couple of weeks later of this grandmother's video, the Sora was Sora launched again another, a generation of the algorithm. And then this is a prompt in English. And then this is, of course, much better than the previous video, but still no sounds. This is early February in 2024. Then this is a GPT-4o in early May 2024.
Hey, I'm writing a story. I'm gonna have you practice a couple voices with me for different characters. So for the first one, I'm thinking we're gonna have like a majestic lion. He's kind of like an old king in his den. And I want you to say something like, who goes there? Be the lion. I really want you to like embody what that might feel like.
Who goes there?
Okay,
Okay, I will stop here. But as you can see, totally different. Just less than 3 months later, after the ladies, sunglass ladies video. So all data, a movie, and Japanese script in Japanese languages, and also sounds. Conversation between the human, the guy and the machine from the smart device, who speaks about like an animal. This is kind of like a drama, right? This is art. art was created by AI in that time. So this is the turning point of our AI technology evolution here. And then after O1 Preview or O1 High, O1 Pro was released September in 2024, another, of course, revolution was coming.
In 208.
Oh, sorry. It's
No chance. No chance. No chance. No chance. Come on. There's no way.
he's PhD holder
208.
in California, and then theoretical physicist. And then
Oh my God.
when he was a PhD student,
That's
he tried to analysis the mass of black hole, and then he took 1 year to make a code or program of this calculation analysis.
my code.
But
this is
GPT-01
synthetic
did it
data and
within 1
but that
hour.
basically did it.
1 hour versus 1 year. So he's now crazingly surprised.
Oh, no.
Another video, no sounds. But this is also another engineer tried it in September last year with O1. Then he is trying to develop by AI iOS application for the like a weather or something like this application within 10 minutes. Usually iOS application takes around 3 months, including approval, but 10 minutes is crazy. So we need to, anyway, mindset. When we start, for example, startup company, I have currently around 40 companies in the world as an angel investor, as a founder or co-founders, sometimes advisors. But I don't want to, invest to the company who doesn't work with the AI technology anymore, because such evolution has already come. But most investors, most founders haven't been aware of this shocking error or technology. Then this is our case at the Osaka University and the Kobe University. This is a clinical trial protocol in English. Of course, in Japanese, it's totally easy to autonomously create, but this is made by our artificial intelligence technology. Only 1 click within 10 minutes. Of course, based on our paper or source materials, but shockingly, after we created this protocol, I sent this to academic research organization at my university. And then researchers and the professors checked, reviewed our protocol. Then they told me, Shinya, this takes maybe 1 month to communicate between us, to review, to edit, or something like that for the PMDA application. PMDA is Japanese FDA, health authority. But he told me, he replied to me just 3 days later. He said, Shinya, no need to edit at all. This took just 1 week. 1 week with our technology. So this is amazing. We don't need a CRO, actually. We don't need a consultant. We don't need a huge organization at the university as an ARO. We need a medical doctor. We need an investor. We need their idea. We need their knowledge and experience at the hospital, in front of patient, something like this. So This is another case for our startup company from Osaka University Hospital. This is autonomously, how can I say, creating PMDA consultation meeting materials by AI based on our, of course, source materials. As other speakers mentioned, that the AI agent is currently able to work on behalf of us, human expert, autonomously. This is like a autonomous software robot, right? So the AI agent checked all materials quickly. Then they think as a reasoning model. They created the documents or endpoint, clinical trial design, something like this. Then finally, created all documents to be required from a PMDA for the consultation meeting. Very quick work. But before this AI era, we paid a lot to the CRO, or we paid a lot to the human expert for the regulatory, not medical doctor, I mean. Then this is another case at my university, Osaka University. So of course, someone knows about the SAS, the program code for the clinical trial, statistical analysis. Then we just uploading the all materials about the clinical trial, including a SAP, and then protocol, ECRF, blah, blah, blah. Then AI agent is now creating a SAS code automatically. Just a one click, two click. Did it. But now still pharmaceutical company or CRO do it with the very higher hourly rate expert. But AI is now, able to work on behalf of human expert. So another case, this is an old ECRF creation by AI. We also, we upload a protocol as well as other video to the cloud. Then just put the prompt to create the ECRF from the particular protocol. Then quickly ECRF is generated, including computer system validation as a document. So no need to purchase from the vendor anymore, especially for the academic researchers. So I do such clinical research or trial with a PI at my university hospital. Then they are currently able to do the clinical trial 10 times, 5 times compared to last year. This is my dream, to create a new technology, new science, new startup from the hospital, academia, and the medical doctors. Then probably some of you know AI 2027, which is published in April this year. The paper, but not from academia, from the engineer used to be at the OpenAI or other startup companies. They are predicting the future by end of 2027. The main topic is AI agent from late of this year and in 2026. So AI agent is coming, has already come. Autonomous software robot. We need to work with them. Anyway, then maybe no time, but only one video from Gemini.
We've got a Pixel phone loaded with the latest test build of Project Astra, and we're going to leave
This is
the
AI
office to test
agent.
it around London. I've got this email with apartment info. Can you tell me the door code and remember it?
I'll remember the door code for you. It is 1170. To unlock it, enter the code and then...
Smart device is very important,
Based on these
communication
symbols,
tool.
How should I wash this?
The tag shows to machine...
Camera is very important
Avoid bleach
to let the information know to the AI.
Then what settings should I use on this machine?
Based on the laundry instruction...
The current AI quickly searched, deep search, all information about the laundry machine or, of course, clothes information.
I can search for these...
So such type of AI, I have a lot of video, but I will skip it today. But such technology, we need to make our idea how we can use such technology for our operation at each organization, not only at the academia, but also government, company, startup, NPO, blah, blah, blah. Then finally today, I would like to talk about the Toyota Production System, TPS. Probably you may know this process improvement approach created in the 1970s. So almost 50 years ago, more than. So at that time, no digital, no laptop, no computer, no smart device. But the Japanese people did it to find out the bottleneck of the manufacturing factory, how to improve the process. You know, how to make a better efficiency, something like this. But as you can see, no digital, right? But this is super important currently. Such quality by design approach plus AI technology, very, very important. Technology is just a technology. Of course, important, but a more important point is human experts' knowledge, experience, and idea. Who can be producer or director? Then totally different valuation of all products or service or organization. So I'm now currently closely working with people from the such operational side who knows the idea or knowledge. And then I can provide the technology to them, how to make innovation for them or for their organization. Then our cases from Japan, Microsoft headquarters invited me as a speaker in May this year to talk about our cases from my universities. And then next month, I will be another speaker again in San Francisco at the Microsoft Ignite to talk about another my cases to the investors and executive people. So such AI cases is very important and valuable now, not just technology. How this important point is how we can make a synergy between our operation or knowledge and the technology. Thank you so much. Please connect me to in LinkedIn. Thank you.